Hey man, you know where you watch? Dancehall skilla.
Rasta is a terrorist thing.
Jam there, man.
Rasta dance.
Viewers and subscribers, if you should find yourself in a situation where you meet an accident, because accidents do happen. If you find yourself in a situation like this, call the police. Because right now this road rage thing I get out of hand worldwide. This video is right here, so is not from Jamaica. It's actually Trinidad and Tobago, but still it's a worldwide thing. See? What make them have to walk with them the big long cutlass? They like, what them walk with them the weapon they for? You see me? What really wrong with the world, yo? Look, I know say it's hard for work for what you want, you know. Believe you me, it's hard. You work for your car, you spend your money, and you want your thing to look good for you can live a certain standard of life where you believe in it, you see me? And for someone come and damage your vehicle or damage the standard of life where you want, I know it hurts, but still, popping out a loss and them thing, you know, you see it. So my advice to you, my viewers, if you find yourself in a situation like this, they haven't bother in a bag of argument. Now ask no questions, just take up your phone, call the police. Nobody can say you're wrong for do that. Whether you wrong or you right, call the police. You see me? And resolve the issue the proper way, the way it's supposed to be done. Because road rage thing, it's too much right about now. You see me? Anyways, this way is actually in a Trinidad and Tobago. Right? And don't you dare think that I cut the videos, right? That's how the video end. It's just that I try to make a point about the whole road rage thing, and this is a good example for show you, my viewers. You see it? So I'm going to go up some teach you something from this. I'm going to learn a little. You see me I say? And as always, if you're new to my channel, don't be afraid to click the subscribe button. Leave a comment and let me know what you think. My name is Skilla, and this is the Dancehall Skilla ENT. Big up on yourself. You see it?